Well, welcome back to Live at 5 at 4. We're here with Miss Olivia on our weather porch, and today she's making a confetti salad. So as you can imagine, lots of color. We'll of course be posting this recipe on WBIR.com, but let's walk through what is involved with this. And I know Foxy already got ahead of the game and put the peas in the bowl.
She said it ruined the whole show. But
I mean, you gave the whole thing away, Foxy. Put the peas in the bowl. Okay.
okay.
So what's next?
You're going to add the spiced corn.
Spiced corn.
It's kind of a Western type corn, whatever
Okay.
you want to buy, whatever. We're doing whatever you can buy at the grocery store
That's right.
now. And we're not complaining.
Nope, we make do with what we've got.
You got French style green beans.
All right.
Get it, Cassie.
Yeah, my sleeves are getting in the way. I wasn't prepared for this. I'm sorry.
That's quite all right. A
There
little
we go.
grease on your sleeve won't hurt a thing.
Pull that up. Okay. And then
Some slivered onions.
the slivered onions.
And
next.
it doesn't matter what.
Sweet or yellow or any of
Oh,
that.
yeah, that has to be a sweet onion, but
has
it
to be
doesn't
sweet
matter
onion.
what order you put it in.
Gotcha. And then
diced pimento.
Okay.
Everything has been well drained. Well drained.
okay, that way you don't get it all wet.
Exactly, and it don't sit in a puddle.
Exactly.
This is the dressing. The dressing is a 1/4 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup of cider vinegar, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper.
Interesting.
And because I tumped it just a little on the way over here,
Okay.
it's a little greasy, so I'll do that.
Okay.
We're not going to pour all of it over, I don't think. We'll see here in a minute. But you want to, I made this early. Let's put it all in.
Okay.
And as you go, set it aside on the counter as you go by during the day. Stir it, because anytime you have a sugar or a grainy substance in dressing, you want it to dissolve.
Yeah.
So if you give it all day to do its thing, it will be dissolved.
That was actually going to be a question I asked. I didn't realize that sugar would dissolve in oil.
Well, there's cider vinegar in there
And
too.
that helps
and
it.
at room temperature, it'll pretty much dissolve. Now,
Gotcha.
isn't that pretty?
It is beautiful. Do you want me to tip this
Yeah,
for you,
tip it
Foxy?
over here.
All right. Whoa, without dumping it on the whole table. That is beautiful. And so what would this go with? As a side dish with a meal?
Yes.
Okay.
And as I said, it's items you can find. I put the original recipe on the website. You cannot find all that.
Okay.
These were frozen peas. I rinsed them real good, get the frosty ick off of them, and then they've been setting and thawing.
Okay.
This is a recipe from Penny Houston Whaley. She's a descendant of Sam Houston, and she's one of the triplets that's well known in Blount County.
Okay, so we can consider this having East Tennessee roots.
Exactly, exactly.
Well, this looks absolutely delicious. It smells good too, and obviously healthy. You get your veggies for the day with this as well.
If you don't count the sugar, but
Just ignore that part.
well, see, look here, you're going to serve with a slotted spoon.
Right, so you can drain off some of the oil.
So all the oil, and there's just a 1/4 cup in the whole thing. So it's not as bad as it could be.
But it's still delicious, and like I
Yes.
said, it smells great as well, and it looks beautiful. A wonderful side dish going through the summer.
And we should set it in the refrigerator for about 8 hours before we serve it.
Okay, so we want it to be cold when we
Very
serve it.
much so.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for bringing us this lovely dish today.
Well, thank you for joining me.